Hello viewers, this is Daylight TV Entertainment News. Show promoter fights dirty with Burna Boy. Mom accuses them of extortion, demands 28 million naira refund. Nigerian singer and songwriter Burna Boy and his manager Mom Boss Ogula have been accused of extortion by United States-based show promoter Emmanuel Chinyere Uzo. Uzo, who is the CEO of Gold Mole Entertainment, made the allegation against Burna Boy and his mom on the company's official Instagram handle on Tuesday. He claimed the singer refused to perform at a scheduled show despite being paid in full and how Burna Boy's mom extorted him off $10,000. Wow! He wrote, Boss Ogula attempted to extort me of $10,000 after the agreed sum was paid in full. She proceeded to ask for an additional $10,000. Wow! After the balance was paid in full, he posted and confirmed his attendance. That was when Boss told me that I had to pay another $10,000 before he comes downstairs. Are you kidding me? I realized that I was being extorted. At that point, I no longer wanted to move forward with the deal. This was around 1:10 a.m. He was set to arrive at the club at 12:45 a.m. Once I requested a refund of the $15,000 that was paid that night. That was when he posted this cancelled flyer. When I realized what was happening, I decided to pull from the show completely. I asked for the $50,000 balance that was paid on the night and they refused to return the money. After hours of negotiations in the hotel lobby, the entire team snuck out of the hotel through the back exit to avoid us. It was also stated that the details of the incident that transpired between him and the singer's management were not captured in full by the Instagram story, but promised that the law would take its course. He quotes again, "My only demand at this point is a refund. You were paid for a service that you didn't complete. Be a stand-up guy and kindly return my money at Burna Boy ground." There have been no comments or responses from Burna Boy, his mom and his management regarding this allegation. Trust Daylight TV to keep you posted as this ugly event unfolds. Thanks for watching Daylight TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye and see you soon.